All right, party people in the place to be. We're back at it with the Mavic 4 Pro. Today we're going to be testing out the ActiveTrack and how good it is or not tracking vehicles. Without further ado, let's get this thing popping. So we got an ActiveTrack going. So far, so good. Going about 20 miles per hour, and it is keeping up with us. Make sure we dodging them power lines. So far, so good. And I don't even have it on sports mode. All right, we up to 30, 35, and it's right behind us. Well, right above us. Now, I'm not gonna do no fancy smancy going to the side, up and down, back and forth, because we got a lot of different obstacles. And plus, we don't have that refresh. Speed limit on this road is 30, so we're gonna go 30. And it is doing a phenomenal job right now. Phenomenal, if I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. Back in these ducked off Texas roads, it's having no problems at all keeping up with us. All right, now we're gonna turn off in this little neighborhood, and then maybe we can do some moving around and some side tracking. All right, go real slow. All right, we're gonna tap to the left. And we're gonna see if the drone gonna follow us to up to the left hand side. You can go a little faster. And let's tap to the right and see what it does. All right, it's doing a little, it's moving and grooving, y'all. It did have a little update, so stop. It did have a little update. So as you can see, it is having no problems. No problems whatsoever. Especially now in the neighborhood, it has to adjust to us driving around. and it's not even in sports mode. It's able to get in front of us. Wait. Just go slow. And so now we're gonna have the drone. It's on the left-hand side. We're gonna have it go right in front of us. See if we can get it a little bit closer. Then we're gonna have it go to the right. So the key to it is to tap on what side you want it to go to. Don't scroll to it. And again, tap that front. And I would say, from our walking test to our driving test, it has murdered the driving test. It did a real good job. So now we're going to land the drone. All right, people, and there you have it. As you can see, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro can stand the test of driving and ActiveTrack, tracking a vehicle with no problem. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer, people, aka Uncle Rico. Till next episode, people. Peace.